Agency OS replaces more than 5 tools with one connected system, so you can stop paying for overpriced subscription software, ditch the messy spreadsheets, and start scaling your agency faster than ever. Use customizable client and team portals to organize everything in one place, collaborate, track KPIs, and never lose notes again. Manage and assign projects, track tasks, set priorities, and meet deadlines. Easily share portals and project pages with clients or team members via their email. Agency OS includes dedicated sections for marketing, leads, finances, SOPs, and more, connecting every part of your business so you can focus less on admin and more on client results and growth. It comes pre-built for instant use in a free Notion account. Hundreds of agencies across all sizes and types use Agency OS to stay organized and grow faster. And it's fully customizable to your brand and workflow, so you never have to compromise on how you work. Get instant lifetime access to Agency OS, the all-in-one system that turns chaos into clarity so you can run and grow your agency with control.